All right, now that I have transferred my lines from my photo onto my final copy paper, it is time for me to start adding some patterns and a background. There's a couple things that you'll want to do. Anything that you want to stand out, I would encourage you to make your lines a little bit thicker. So I really want Maddie's to stand out. So I'm gonna go around the outside of her and make those lines extra thick. So I'm just I'm sort of like drawing a bubble line around it, and I'm gonna color in between that so that she stands out nice and bold. And then the other thing I need to decide is what I am going to put in my background. And I am going to do a landscape in the background for Miss Maddie on my paper. And I really like the way that he creates a sun in the background. So I'm gonna try to do something similar to that with mine. Let me just finish this here. I'm gonna have just a little bit of land or ground, so I'm drawing my horizon line first. And then I want to have the sun setting, and I like how he does like a half a sun with rays that come across, so I'm going to do like my half sun here. So to help me draw my rays out nice and straight, I'm gonna actually use a ruler. So I'm gonna just kind of start with one in the middle that's gonna kind of go off this way. And then I want the other one to come over here. So my plan is to have these rays get wider as they get further apart. So then I would have a ray that comes here. And it's gonna be important because I'm using Sharpie right away that I pay attention and skip over the parts that are the dog, that are Maddie. I think I'll do one more here. Yeah. It's a little hard for me to see what I'm doing when my ruler is on my line, so I'm going to be flipping my paper around so that I can see the space between the ruler and the new line I'm drawing. And now that I have this kind of broken up into different parts, maybe I'll add another line here to show some of the landscape. And then I'll bring it over here as well. Now that I have all of the parts divided, I want to make some of the lines thicker to add contrast.